What is with this fucking guy?
We get right up in his face.
Hey, how close can we get?
Oh, I'm fucking close.
Oh, dude, did he just attack the camera? Dude, he's a badass blue jay.
He ain't taking no shit.
Boo. Dude, he just... Oh, he's about to go down in this Mercedes. Dude! He's totally gonna go into this dude's car. He's gonna shit on the driver's seat. This fucking guy. He did take your spot. Maybe he's getting them back for you.
I haven't trained. My trained bird.
When can you get so close you can friggin' grab a blue jay? What is wrong? Do you think he's rabid? He attacked Kim.